SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, today I am here with your new topic, that is today and yesterday. So many of you are getting confused the use of today and yesterday. So we are going to do our topic to make yourself more confident while you people will use the word today and yesterday. Okay? Words that show actions are called doing words or verb. Doing words are used for present and past with a little difference. बच्चे, they are telling you जो अभी हमारे words actions को show कर रहे होते हैं उनको हम doing words कहते हैं. Okay? But doing words में भी present और past में थोड़ा difference होता है. Okay? And what will be the difference? Let's come with me to see that. Yesterday means past, जो हो गया. Today means आज, जो चल रहा है. We ate a pizza yesterday. Okay? The gardener watered the plant yesterday. Now come to today. My pet dog always barks means using S at strangers. She sleeps soundly. So, here the action shows that they have been done yesterday past. यहाँ पर आपका एक्शन शो कर रहा है कि आपने ये वर्क पास्ट में किया था. Okay? Watered, ate. And here the action shows that they have been done work today. यहाँ पर आपका एक्शन शो कर रहा है कि आप वर्क अभी आज ही करे हैं. ठीक है? आज ही आपने अपना वर्क करा है. राइट? नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अब फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस को देखते हैं. 1. रोहन रन्स वेरी फास्ट. रोहन बहुत फास्ट रन करता है. ओके? रोहन ran very fast yesterday. Ran means the verb is same, but the form of the verb is going to be changed according to the situation, as they will talk about the present tense today. So they are using runs. When they will talk about the yesterday, so it will turn in the another form, that is ran. Okay. In the past sentences, the verb runs refer to an action Rohan is doing today or at present. In second sentence, the verb ran refer to an action Rohan did yesterday. So basically in first sentence they are talking about today, तो उन्होंने rans use किया है. In second sentence they are talking about the past, yesterday, so they are using word ran. Okay, now here we have today, yesterday. When the action is done in the present, we use S और original verbs. जब एक्शन प्रेजेंट टेंस में चल रहा होता है तो हम ओरिजिनल वर्ब्स यूज करेंगे या फिर उसके साथ एस यूज करेंगे. एज ही प्लेज, आई ड्रिंक मिल्क, वी गो आउटसाइड, द बस स्टार्ट्स. क्लियर? बट यस्टरडे व्हेन द एक्शन इज डन इन द पास्ट, जब एक्शन पास्ट में किया गया है, वी यूज ed. However, some words are written differently in the past. जब पास्ट में यूज होगा तो हम उसके साथ ed यूज करेंगे. As he played, I drank milk, we went outside, the bus started. Some words are written differently in the past. कुछ वर्ड्स को हम जब पास्ट में लिख रहे होते हैं तो वो डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं. ओके? Now you have to learn some words that is different in today and yesterday. As buy will turn in bought, think will turn in thought, come will turn in came, hear will turn in heard, keep will turn in kept, sleep will turn in slept, say will turn in said, drink will turn in drank, sing will turn in sang, Go will turn in went, do with turn in did, write with turn in wrote, give with turn in gave, take with turn in took, eat with turn in ate, try with turn in tried, watch with turn in watched, put with turn in put, cut with turn in cut, run with turn in ran, make will turn in made. Clear? So these are some words that will change in the yesterday too. Now we are moving towards your question 1, that is, read the following sentences and circle the action words. 1 has been done for you here. Sunil is watching television. Now you have to just circle the words here. Mother is cooking food. Teacher is teaching. And in the same way you will also circle. Next we have tick the correct word in the bracket. Here you have to tick the correct word according to the situation, whether they are talking about today or yesterday. Last evening means they are talking about yesterday. Last evening we see or saw a cartoon. So if they are talking about yesterday, so you will tick on the word saw, because see is the original word. Okay. An original word will use in the present only, right? So in the same way you will also recognize and you will just tick on the correct word. Next we have your question C, that is, complete this story by filling in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words given in the brackets. A thirsty crow dash a pot of water. अब thirsty crow ने एक water pot को देखा. देखा मतलब अभी देखा, तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? C. Clear? Next, in the same way you will also fill the form of the given words. Now this is your revision too. So many mixing concepts are here for doing the practice. Okay? I hope that the concept of today has been clear to you very well. I'll meet you in your next class. Meanwhile, take care of yourself, and one more thing, do practice. Goodbye.